morning. And dito ka sa Ardaneta with Kuya Jay. Jay for Pasamonte, yo. Ano sabi nyo? Ano sabi mo kay Jay? Hirap ito, hirap. So na yun, mamulis muna kami sa lugar ng mga den of cupers dito sa Ardaneta.
Dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style. High heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air. Telephone wires above, all sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm fire, I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're dead. I got that summertime, summertime sadness. Got the summertime, summertime sadness. I got the summertime, summertime sadness. Oh.
Here we are in Lingayen! Woo! Hindi kami natulog so far, you know. Wala kaya poster eh.
Hindi, mamaya na lang para makapil.
Don't let the beat stop, I wanna see your head rocking. Beats clucking, the B-boys are body popping. The bass drop, show it sounds like a tremor. Everybody's in the club, getting the vibe together. Hands in the sky, yo, we move to the floor, leave you stressing. Unhappiness at the door, keep it funky. With the 4-4 beat from your radio, TV screens and in the streets. So don't stop now, DJ's got the media on lock now. Temperature's hot now, he's in the mode, there's no time to drop now. But I'ma give my all, give it everything I got now. I'm like the colours in the rainbow. The way my white light just shines through a prism. These type of sounds, I'm spitting on the bassline and the waistline intertwined with the rhythm. Yeah.
Nice night, guys. Pag-ibig ka.
Trust, hot now. And it's all about losing control right about now. Yeah, I'm back again, beating on the track again. I'm good, I'm never packing it. I'm never lacking in the skills, not slacking in. This is the year that it's all happening. I'm in the mode, my vibes are skyrocketing. Shut the door, the vibes ain't locking it. These kids too sick, nobody's stopping it. In the street, that's why everyone's forgotten it. I've got a lot of talent, if you ain't off balance. And I'm cooking the game like red balance.
Boom! Nice, nice, nice!
Direct sino yung eksena?
Ikaw.
Ako na?
Medyo pagkalikan mo sa mga babae na nagaan, hindi mo matanggap.
Naman! Wala! One time lang.
Ano tingin ko? Sino tayo?
Dito tayo sa ano, sa Capitol. Tapos nandito na tayo. Kasama ko lang si ano.
Why, hello. It's been a while. Yes, this is winter. Yes, I have completed the video. Another combi? When? Huh. My birthday month. How cute of you. Of course. I already have a title. Isn't it obvious? Well, of course, I'll call it for now. Pangasinan Open 7.